youngest person of all these people here. I have the honor to open this symposium with a session that deals with research on stem cells. You have heard a lot about stem cells in the last probably 10 years and all this controversy about them. I assure you that the stem cells that your students, our students use are the adult stem cells. Stem cells that are coming from teeth, basically, and we did wonderful work with them, and I will just give you a brief overview of what stem cells are and why we need to do research with them. So the stem cells are cells that are not specialized, cells that do not do much, actually, but they are most important ones in our body. So when the body sends them a signal, they will become a muscle cell, bone cell, neuronal cell, or whatever cell the body needs at that point. So, you have heard a lot about the embryonic stem cells. Those are the ones that we have kind of conversation about still. And they are the most potent one in the field of medical research and medical regeneration research. The adult stem cells, there are many different types. Some are coming from fat tissue everywhere, so fat is not bad. Some are from teeth, there are some in muscles and so forth. So there are many different kinds. The ones that we use in our research are coming from the living part of the tooth. And whoever have done a root canal, basically the procedure is to remove that living part of the tooth, so that goes to waste. A lot of stem cells go to waste in these procedures. So now the signals that the body sends to them are usually chemical signals. However, these cells also react to many different mechanical signals, many different environmental signals, and you will see here how these dental stem cells behave when they are exposed to, for example, different polymers that are artificial, biocompatible but artificial, with great promise for making tissues and so forth. Graphene is a new material that is coming into play now with this and stem cell research in general. Then how cells react when we put them on surfaces which give them kind of directions how to organize themselves. Those are so-called patterns and scaffolds, and it was shown in medicine that magnetic fields also influence the healing, and we wanted to see how the stem cells will behave in this environment. And then finally, in this group of, you can see them, a whole army of researchers there, they will talk about their research with nanoparticles, which are used more and more in treatments of cancer, and also we want to see how those nanoparticles can be used in making stem cells differentiate. So, this research is at the forefront of the research in general, in the grown-up research if you wish, but still they achieved a lot, and they will present this data. While they have only 2 minutes to do that, and they will show you only a couple of pictures, I want to give you this slide, which I presented last year. On average, each student worked with at least 8 samples. So all these guys here, in total, probably used close to 1,000 samples, and they did analyze them, or they will finish analyzing them. So it is a huge amount of work, and they did a lot of it, and now they will start the presentations. Since this group is really large, it will be divided in sub-sessions, and the RUs will present their favorites. They are all our favorites. Okay, so first I want